Hello, Dr. James Bogash, expert in health and longevity, and today I'm going to talk about some foods you can eat to kind of counteract some of the crap chemicals that we're exposed to, and in some cases are literally impossible to not be exposed to. And you've heard me say that we live in a toxic soup, that things like BPA in plastic water bottles and phthalates in fragrances and BPA and thermal register receipts and heavy metals and the forever chemicals are fluorinated compounds like PFOS or PFAS that are found in nonstick cookware, stain-resistant materials, firefighting foams. They are everywhere, and almost every human has some of this in their body. As an example, DDT hasn't been used since the 70s. As an insecticide, and it's still, derivatives of DTA are still found in most of our bloodstreams. We live in a toxic soup, so whatever we can do to reduce some of our exposure to that is always a good thing. Which brings us to this particular study, which was a mouse study, but they found that soluble fiber actually reduced the absorption of PFOS. It reduced the effects on the liver, so less absorption, less accumulation of PFOS in the liver, better signs of, so lowered the risk of heart disease, including atherogenesis, so plaquing the arteries, and atherosclerotic genesis. And lipid levels were lower. And particularly, they used two types of soluble fiber in this study. Those were inulin and pectin. Inulin is high in foods like onion, garlic, asparagus, jicama, artichokes, chicory leaf, unripe bananas. So a lot of things that we should be eating are going to contain high levels of inulin. Pectin is highest in highest in orange. It's also found in several other fruits. Also found in green beans. Carrots have the highest level of pectins. Tomatoes, potatoes. A plant-based diet is going to give you a good spread of these soluble fibers. We do not get many soluble fibers from animal products. This may be yet another reason why plant-based diets continue to show positive benefits in pretty much every marker of chronic disease that we can find. As always, I'll post a link to this particular study in the description. Make sure you like this video, share it with somebody who you think needs the information, and subscribe to the channel.